I want to show you one of my favorite healthy snacks. I love a good protein bar, especially as someone who's constantly on the go, who travels for work, or even just sometimes if you're at home or running errands, it's great to have a quick, healthy option. And honestly, it can be really difficult to find protein bars with clean, non-processed ingredients. And my favorite paleo protein bar, it's great, but now it's $3 a bar. Hello, inflation. So I have learned how to make my own protein bars using collagen protein, and it's super, super easy. It's just a couple of ingredients and you throw it in the fridge and you're done. So if you are a vegan, collagen can be a little bit tricky. For pescatarians, there is a marine collagen option, but I am going to put a link in the comments to a vegan protein bar option. But for today, we're going to be making the collagen option. Start with the dry ingredients first. 1 cup of coconut flour and then 1 cup of collagen powder. Then add 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of cashew butter, and 1/3 cup of maple syrup. If you don't have cashew butter on hand, you can try another type of nut butter, but honestly, I prefer the flavor of cashew. Then we're going to mix it all together. It will be a bit sticky and dense, that's okay. Then, optional but highly recommended, add some dark chocolate chips to the batter. Then scoop the whole mixture into a dish lined with parchment paper. From here, you can press it in with your hands or use a spoon. I think doing it with your hands is much easier. Then you put the dish into the fridge for a minimum of 20 minutes. When you take it out, slice it into bar-sized pieces and wrap each one individually with parchment paper so you have it ready to go. These collagen bars are so good. I just love to keep them on hand. Honestly, I end up even eating them at home because they're so delicious. I hope this gives you a bit of inspiration on just how easy and delicious healthy eating can be, even with a busy lifestyle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again in the next video.